Right, let me show one thing. In filters, you can go to the background layer and then adjustment, and then you can select this color, sorry, hue saturation. But these features are pro features, right? You have to pay and buy that. But anyway, you can change and see here. You can change the color like this, or like this, or like this. Like this. But these features are pro features, right? You have to pay for that. But still,
excuse me, sir, can you send the link again?
sure, I'll send.
This one.
So how about the creation? Have you done it, or anyone? I'll send the link again. Anyone completed? Huh? Why is that? That's easy, no? Okay, hey Shani. So if you need help, please let me know, then I can do. Okay, hey Shani, good. See how you shaped? Shapes the use correct. Hey Shani, or hand drawing? Hand drawing.
Hand drawing lines දෙකම.
Lines and hand drawing. Okay, good. Very good. So you can move the house to in different places and see, you know. You can move the house to the different places. Maybe you can scale down the house a little. You can change the color. Likewise, you can do. Okay, just give a try. Others also give a try. Can do. Don't think that you can't do. Can do this. Can do this. I don't think you can't. You all are good creators. I know you can create. Right? You can use. Yes.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Can we save this one? This photo?
Yeah, you can save. The way that to do way to save this, I have told you what to do. You have to take a screenshot. Otherwise, you won't be able to save this because this option is for Pro.
Okay.
Save to HD is for Pro version. That's why you have to upgrade. But you can take a screenshot. So that is the easiest way. Okay.
Thank you.
Right. Then, so if you are using shapes also, you can draw, right? You can use shapes too. Shapes and the here, these are the shapes. Shape would be easy, right? This is line, again another line, again another line, and again another line. That is your wall. Then you can fill this using some other color, right? Then the second wall, you can use the line tool this way, and this way. And this way. And fill it. This is the second wall. Right, then the roof. Roof, you can again use the line. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Then fill it using some other color, like a black color would be okay, or dark color. This is the roof part. Oh, entire thing is filled. Then the second part of the roof. I'll use this one now to resettle that again. I'll use lines to complete that. Okay, now my roof is completed. Then I can draw like this to complete the second part of the roof. I have used line only. Can also try. And this part also. This part actually I had to fill this using wall. I'm using wall color. Now I'm going to fill the color. So this is also another way of doing this. There is another way of doing this. Then you can use these shapes and apply door and a window. So this is another way of doing that. You can use shapes and lines to do that, fill that. Brush is also there. If you want to draw, if you want to fill something, you can use brush to paint. Would be a little bit hard, but still you can use. Okay, use one of these methods to complete this. Either the first method, the hand drawing method. It's also nice. For the second method. Second house also you can just select and reduce the size. You can keep it somewhere. Maybe here. Okay, now it's house and scheme. Right. So likewise, you can just do anything, right? Anyway, assignment, I'll create assignment from this. And that assignment basically will be published there in your LMS, because we didn't do any assignment for a long time. So this is the time to do that. Right, this is the time to do that, and I'll publish the resources. What you have to do, you have to create an image or image manipulation using those resources. Okay, anyone finished can send it now. Anyone who has finished can send it now.
So I have another class, I'm log out now.
Right, okay, sure. So when you use the lines, there's a gap, no, small gap. So that you can fill using lines itself. Lines valima fill karana pula. You can use the lines to fill that gap. Just draw on top of the line, top of that, using the same red color on top of the line, then you can fill that. Okay. Right, so then saving can be done by taking a screenshot. So that is the easiest way to save this. And okay, with that, I'm going to stop for today. And next week. Sorry, video. Okay, make it, there are here many apps are there, right? But here actually in your level you have only your level you have only picture editing, no? But if you really want, you have audio editing app, video editing app, and code editing app, 3D editing app, tunes editing app, and you have more apps in Sumo, right?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sumo app eකට sign in වුණොත් අපිට පුළුවන්ද?
Pro version එක පුතේ ඒකේ pay කරන්න ඕන පොඩි amount එකක්. Pro, even you sign in, so it asks for some contribution. It's not totally free, right? It's like a trial shop. It's not totally free. Here the 3D one, this you can see. But this is this actually you need some basic 3D skills to do that. But still you can draw some shapes using 3D. This is for 3D drawings, right? You have a menu here and you can edit, open something and do this 3D. And if you can video edit also. The video editing also a feature there, right? That feature is also there. Here, video editing. But the thing here is you can do limited things only. You can put one video and put another video over there. Right? This is the sample that they have given.
Sir, you can show
Yeah.
example video data.
Yeah, here you can see. This is a sample that they have. They have added a sound layer and video layer and a drawing all together. Okay. Different layers you can edit. This text you can edit, like the text you can edit. You can tell the text is Dasun. You can edit this, and if you want to put any here, this is another one. The second text you can see. You can go to the timeline and edit it, or you can remove it, or you can move this to the front, right? Or you can edit this, or you can. So here many text for layers. You can see layers are taken, and this is what the sumo is. You can move that to somewhere else, and this is the video layer. You can also add your own video layer. Here you have to press add sign and add the video, or file open from HD and add a video.
ඒකට try කරන්න බලන්නද?
Try කරාට නම් කමන්නේ, but you don't have that in your syllabus, right? So don't ask questions again and again, then it will take some more time. You can just try alone, right? Try alone and try to learn. But anyway, the green screen and all those effects I will show you in another day. But after the fourth lesson, I can show you the green screen effect that I have sent to you video. Or TV එක ඇතුලෙන් අත දාලා ගන්න එකක් කියලා තිබුණා. So that is a green screen effect. You can just try with green screen. And I'll do this after lesson number 4, right? So next week we will start our lesson number 4. Okay, then let's see you all next week. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Right.